Yeah.
They'll appreciate it. Kasi who else will tell them?
Amen.
Mhm.
And explaining them the beauty of sex.
Yes. Oh.
Especially the marriage sex. Di ba? Na sex is not bad
Mhm.
kung nasa context ng marriage. Pero ang ginagawa kasi, di ba, parang ang sex ngayon.
Baliwala lang.
Baliwala lang.
Multiple partners, whatever. It's not making it sacred anymore.
Yeah. So, bilang parent, brother, meron ka bang pwede masuggest sa mga magulang na pwede nilang basahin para kumbaga tumulong sa kanila about this kind of panuturuan ng mga anak?
Actually, hindi tayo masyadong nagbabasa. That's diba? Filipinos lang, or in general people, pero maraming vlogs, like your vlog,
Thank you,
and
brother.
other vlogs that will give you the right input. Kasi sabihin natin, busy din tayo. We don't want to sit down and read so much. But if you want to read Theology of the Body,
John Paul,
and other books like that, Catholic education books. But if you don't have time, why not vlogs? Look for good Catholic vlogs that you can watch and learn.
Amen.
And syempre, ikaw din, dapat you believe it, di ba? Mahirap naman ituro mo na hindi ka one with the teachings. So, dapat you believe it also.
Paano kung syempre, di ba, tayo magulang, meron din tayong mga skeleton in the closet. Parang isipin natin, paano ko ito matuturo? Ako nga, di ko na-practice to.
We learn from our mistakes, di ba? Natutunan natin from kaya ayaw natin na gawin nila. Kasi alam natin, nahirapan tayo after. So, you don't even need to tell them na dinaanan mo yun, di ba? Pero alam mo what the consequences are. So, ayaw mo na mangyari sa kanila yun.
Yeah, tama. Ang ganda nun.